Now let us do a practical problem of array to find the largest member of an array. Let it be done on an integer array. Let's say int a, and we'll define the size by number of members we initialize. So we'll initialize by 14, 9, 11, 19, 3. And then let us define a max. And initially we assume as if something at 0th position is maximum. So that we'll keep comparing others with this and then keep fitting if it is larger into max. But since we have to move to array size, so we should know how to get the array size. So there is a size of operator available in C++, and size of a, and usually in this kind of Windows implementation, the integer is considered to be 4 bytes. So if size of a is giving the entire array size in bytes, so divide by 4 will give number of members of arrays. So let us still note it down, that is, it is implementation dependent. So if in your implementation it is 2 bytes, then you have to divide it by 2. For int I is equal to 1 to I less than len, we can check here, and I plus plus. And then the simple work we'll do is, if a I, because 0th member we have already put there, so we'll start from first member now, is greater than max. That means we are first comparing this member with this member, because we have stored this member in max. So the max, if it is then greater, then obviously the new max would be the next number, and next number is denoted by this I, and sequentially one by one we can keep checking. This is one single statement, so we may not put brackets, but for clarity we can still put it, right, for clarity's sake. And then we can see out the largest, which obviously would be max, because our idea of declaring that max variable was the same, largest number. Carefully study this program, you'll understand it. This is not really difficult, but such programs need small tricks to complete. Now we'll build and run this program. It should now run well. Largest number is 19. I usually give these kind of beautification things also, so that the display is very clear. Largest number is 19. We can test it. Suppose we pick 20 here. Will it still work? Yes, it should still work. The largest number now should come as 20. And we should also test it for the last member. These are boundary value testing. We must always do in a code logic. Now it is 23. So logic is fine. We should also do it at the first place. Say 25 being the largest. Here we can still do it. It is 25. So the logic is perfectly working. So this is a program to find largest in an array. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe.